What's up, y'all? MTV Cribs. Let me show you guys around. Real quick, but before I show you guys around, you should have seen my hands. They were black. So funny story, we couldn't get the chains off. We tried so hard, they got tangled up inside the axle. So they told us it would be a 4-hour wait for a tow truck. I said, fuck that. I had to be a man because I wasn't a man before because I didn't know how to take the chains off. So I took the fucking tire off, jacked that bitch up, took the tire off, unraveled the chains. Here we are, 3 hours later. Let's give you guys a quick little tour. We got a pretty sick little bar right here, refrigerator. Take you guys this way. Nice little desk that I can do my work here, edit my YouTube videos. Sick little poster, or you know, whatever. By the way, this is the Hard Rock Casino. We got a nice little couch here. Check this out. So we're the only one on the whole floor with a balcony. Come check out this view. Pretty dope. She hooked us up. Real quick, guys. Thank you guys for 1,150 subscribers. You guys are the best. Come this way. Another second room. We got the bed, 2 pretty nice nightstands. We got the TV. As soon as we walked in, the music was already freaking playing. Pretty dope little hot tub. And then closet. And then pretty nice bathroom. So those are, you know, some of the perks from gambling. Even though I'm trying to stop, but here I am at Lake Tahoe. My birthday's next weekend, so we're out here. Gonna see what happens tonight. Maybe I'll sneak in a couple hands of whatever we decide to play, but just wanted to show you guys the room. All right, y'all, peace.